tell Britt, this morning's sunrise was absolutely sensational.
It was beautiful.
And I did try to put on a time lapse, but I did it wrong.
Oh, did you?
Yes. So we're not going to see it, but I'll try to get it another day this week, maybe. Yeah. Take 2. Good morning.
Welcome to Doggy Days and Farm Stays.
Come join us this week as we welcome some new dogs to the pack and look at the new ones who have recently joined.
Yes.
Let's get it. What are you doing, you weird? That's Tilly, Britt.
That's Tilly. Little Till.
Till's been a few times, but she's going to have a holiday stay soon.
We love her.
We love her. She's so cute. Yeah, Till. And Penny the shepherd's back, and she's going to have another holiday stay, but she's doing a few daycare days beforehand. And Penny was here last year, and another time.
She loves it.
Oh, she is. There she is in the dam now.
Very pretty.
Very pretty.
So this is little Ziggy dog. This is Bonnie's sibling, isn't it? Right? So this is her first day today. She's a little nervous to start with, as they all are, but she's pretty pumped now. She's ready to rock and roll. We'll see how she goes throughout the day. What do you reckon?
I love her. Laugh her.
You're laughing at her.
Yeah, I'm laughing at her too, but I love her. Hey, you're a good little girl.
Swim time. So I've got new dog Blue today.
Yes, the
How'd he go?
He was awesome. He was really good.
Yeah?
Really good. Big balls, motorbike, he loves it all.
He's a very happy little dog.
Yeah.
Well, he's not really little, but he's very happy.
Big.
Yeah.
He's a big boy. Very beautiful. Well, Kev, a week of new dogs.
Yes, we had Blue and Ziggy.
Yep.
Beautiful dogs.
Both fitted into the pack really well.
Yeah, it was bloody fabulous.
So don't forget to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time. Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.
Alvito Zane, gurus. Guru.